Hi guys, welcome back to Commander 1. Today I'm going to show you how to download Inazuma 11 Blizzard 2. So the first thing you are going to do is go to Google, then write Inazuma 11 2 and download. Then click search. So guys, you will find many options here, but pick 6009 Inazuma 11 2. Click on download. So guys, I have already downloaded everything, so I'll just move to the second step. Go to Play Store, then write NDS, search. You'll find many options, but pick this one because this is the best one you can have. Then after you install it, click open. Click I read and agree. Then click new game. So this is the game we have downloaded. Click on it.
Let's get together. Inazuma 11-2 Blizzard.
So guys, we have the game here fully downloaded. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let me know in the comments which video I shall do next. Bye.